So just as a recap, as I do now, can you have a go at finding the mode, median, range and the mean of this set of numbers, and then we'll come back and have a look at the answers. Okay, so the answers are on the board. Okay, so moving on then. Okay, so looking at this question here, we've been asked to compare these sets of data using the median and the range. And you always have to use one measure of average and also the range to compare data. So the first thing we're going to do is look at finding the median for Richard. So remember, the first thing we have to do is to put these numbers in order. So we've got two lots of the number 12. We've then got the number 14, 15, 16. I'm going to cross them off as I go just to make sure I don't miss any out. And then I've also got 20 and 21. And now to find the median, remember we go from the outside and we can circle them, or we can underline them like this. And then we get to the middle and we find that 15 is our number in the middle. So the median is 15. The range is our biggest number take away our smallest number. So 21 take away 12, which is 9. We can do exactly the same for Peter. So put all of his numbers in order as well. So we've got 10, 11, 13, 14, 14, 21 and 24. And then we can go through and underline from the outside going inwards. And we find that we get 14 on its own in the middle. So our median is 14. And our range, once again, biggest number take away the smallest number. So 24 take away 10, which is also 14. Okay. And now we're going to have a look at how we would actually use this information to compare those two sets of data. Okay, so to compare these, we're just going to have a look at comparing their medians, which is an average. So our first sentence here says on average. That's really important. Peter takes less time because we can see that Peter's median is lower. And remember, these are times for 100-meter rowing. However, what we do see is that Richard has quite a difference in his range. It's a lot lower. And if you've got a lower range, it means your numbers are less spread out. And so therefore Richard is more consistent. These are two really important parts here. So this on average is really important for you to use, and also this word consistent is really important to use. And consistency we always talk about when we're looking at range. That's all I expect from you today. It's just two sentences like this, one comparing the average, one comparing the range.